Deputy Commissioner West Giant Hills District BS Soalia IAS ulapli ka model kitchen shed cum store and dining ka badingkong hapo ka jila kabala tailing ba ka PM Portion Scheme na kabantaki khana jong ka Government Boys Higher Secondary School Jowai. Yakani ka model kitchen shed cum store and dining lapli haka sautrik naiwing haka jingrakhe yaka sngikirpang ki khana ne Children's Day bala penyai da ka Subdivisional School Education Officer West Giant Hills District Pradhan Mantri Poshan Shakti Nirman PM Poshan ha phalau ka school Government Boys Higher Secondary School Jowai. DCBS Soalia ha ka jingkren ulaong ha ka jinglong jok wei pa wei ubriu ngitrang bat kwa ban long khna biang sashisin ban lekmen le ngobha klem jing khuslai ha ka jingim ula kenturu yaki khna ban minot ha ki jing pule namar ka juk menta ka long ka ba e bhala da ki khna kim nyau kor ya ka jing pule bat ha ka juk ka por ula kentu yaki khna ban nom sange ya ka jing angnut ya ka ka ba ki kwa ban long ha ka jing im ka jongki Nalor kata ulapan seluruh banlong ki baslur ban yathu ha ki nohi kai ne ki kimi ki pa ya ki jing jing wet ha ka jing em khna ka jongki khamtam ki jing ki bakta ya ka bor perkhat perdan bat ha ka jing mut jing perkhat bat ka do nut ka jongki.
The inherent character of each and every human being that we always dream, we always want to go back and become a child again, to enjoy, to be innocent, to be lively, and to not worry about all the other things that life throws at you as we are and when we were children. At this time, I would like to say and express that it's a really unexpected from my side. I thought it would be just another Sarkari program, another program arranged by the government. We inaugurate a model kitchen come dining room, and it's the first in the state, etc., etc. And it's just children sitting in front of us. Here we have the teachers, the officers, everybody in the dais here. But no, it was so fun-filled because just now we saw the teachers. Then they gave a very, how can I express it? It was so fun-filled, wasn't it? Were you all happy? Louder. Yes. Those girl teachers, they showed you their side also that they have that fun in them. So they are not usually teachers who you think are boring, who think they know only how to teach, but they also have that fun in them. Always, always study hard, work hard, study well, because it is very difficult now if we tend to take our studies lightly. But at the same time also, don't give up on your dreams of something else that you feel that you want to do. Some of you want to become singers, some of you want to become musicians, you want to become artists, you want to become dramatists, you want to become actors, you want to become actors. Those are not just, that cannot be achieved. They can be achieved. Anything that you feel like. But my only thing that I want to also share with you is, whatever you feel, whatever you have, some sad thought or you're not feeling happy about something, please don't keep that to yourself. Don't keep that to yourself. Always tell your teachers. Always tell if your parents can be approached about the subject, if the parents can listen to them to that thought of yours, that feeling, well then good. But if maybe they can't, but since the teachers are professionals, they know how to handle and deal with all kinds of problems that you have, especially mental problems. Now we are having, in this world, so many things that affect you mentally, that affects you, emotionally, in your heart and in your mind. Please don't hide. Please don't keep to yourself. Go to your teacher. Go to your favorite teacher, whoever he or she is. Tell them how you feel. Tell them what you're thinking. This will help you. They will guide you. The subjects, they go on their own, all your different subjects, but this is a very special subject, very close to my heart, and that is mental and emotional health. You know, we live in a world now that's full of pressure, full of temptations, full of, people trying to distract you from what you want to do in life. But then, if you feel that you're having these problems, always talk to your teachers. Talk to anyone who's elder than you. They will guide you, they will give you help, and you will feel so much better. And it will truly be Happy Children's Day.
Kakong APSM Joint Director of School Education and Literacy but in charge SDSEO West Janta Hills District. Ha kejingkran kala pentip bakani ka model kitchen shed com store and dining kadai ke beningkong ban plipat ba hapok kejela bat kala batai ru halor ka skim PM Poshan. La penpuk penping ya kesengi kerpang ki kena da kejing sim benta ki no hikai ha ki jat jing pen bernia bat la samru ya kejing ais ngobha kumjuk ki sweetment shabaro ki kena skol.
To have the model kitchen shed in our district and to be the first one to be inaugurated in our state. So thank you so much, sir, for gracing the occasion and for opening the kitchen shed. And as we all know, the PM Poshan, which was usually called midday meal, has been followed, has been given to all the schools of the government and also the aided schools of the state. To have another additional kitchen shed in our school, that is in Government Boys Higher Secondary School. And the main aim of the PM Poshan or the midday meal is to give equal education to all. In order to bring the children to school, the government has given this scheme to attract the children to come to school and also to give nutritional food to the children. That is by having our own kitchen garden. And I congratulate the Government Boys High Secondary School for having a beautiful kitchen garden. Thank you all the teachers. You are to be thankful to God, to your parents and especially to your teachers for imparting education to all of you, and that we will help nurture and mold your character and will be able to make you somebody in your future. So on this auspicious Children's Day, as you all know, Children's Day is celebrated all over the country today, the 14th of November, every year, to commemorate the vision, the love, the dedication that our first Prime Minister had done. And his vision was to impart equal education to all. And because of his love for children, so today is the day where we celebrate our Children's Day.